Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Turbo VPN on your smartphone. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android, then go to Google Play Store. So I'm using Android phone, so this time I'm going to tap on the Google Play Store app. Then tap on the search box, the upper portion, and type the word Turbo VPN and enter. Then you can see here Turbo VPN. There are some Turbo VPN Lite, Proxy. So you can see it's really amazing application. 100 plus people already use this app, and many people use it. You can choose the country. So what you need to do, tap on the install button. So once you tap on install button, it takes few time to install in your device. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.